Hey guys, welcome back. So have you ever thought of maybe what you wanted to do with leftover steak? So we made a tri-tip just the other day. It came out awesome. And I have so much tri-tip that I can't eat it all. So I decided, hey, let's go ahead and throw that in a stir fry. Maybe make some, steak fried rice, okay? So in this video, guys, that's what we're gonna be doing. I'm gonna show you guys how to do it from start to finish, and we're gonna cook it in the wok. So stay tuned, guys. You do not wanna miss this. So we have, of course, carrots, we have scallions, we have about 4 eggs, lightly beaten. This is the tri-tip. This is what I made actually last night, and you can see it's perfectly pink in the middle, and so there's some cooked spots, there's some not. It's gonna be a little smoky, and that's gonna bring an incredible flavor to the actual fried rice. This right here is actually just romaine lettuce, and I just cut it up. And actually it's gonna go in the fried rice. So a little fun tip, this dish is kind of bringing back some memories. So back when my brother was in culinary school in the little Cordon Bleu in San Francisco, we would go up there, and he had like this little hotel that he was living in, and it was pretty barbaric, but there was an Asian restaurant right behind it, and what it was is they made some awesome Chinese food. And one of the things they had was fried rice, of course, and they actually put lettuce in it. And that was actually one of our first times trying it. So Perry, this is to you. I'm gonna show you what this comes out to. And yeah, you guys, this is gonna be awesome. I'm so pumped. Let's see if we got this. Okay, ready? Let's do this. All right, so the pan's nice and hot. Let's go ahead and put in a little bit of oil. Go ahead and make that happen like that. Cool. All right, eggs are gonna go in. Again, we're just gonna go on high heat. Cool. So now we're just gonna get this going. Wow, that's really nice. Since I actually did the whole seasoning on it, it's perfect. Okay, so that's good. Now we're gonna do is we're gonna let this heat up again, and we are gonna cook carrots. We're gonna throw in our steak, then we're gonna throw in the actual rice. Some of you guys like peas in yours. I don't like peas in mine at all. I just don't. I don't know why. I liked it in my chicken pot pie episode, but yeah. So we got that all going. That's nice and hot. Get the stuff in there. Let's try this egg. So good. Now we're gonna add the actual steak, you guys. Super easy. Do a nice little stir fry. All right. I think we're done, guys, with that. Now we gotta get the rice in here. I'll tell you what, this wok is completely non-stick. We're gonna start doing the rice, okay? So the rice, again, it's cold. I put it in the fridge for a little while, but it's getting nice and dry. So again, we're gonna add some more oil, about 2 tablespoons. Do the swirl. Rice goes in. I'm gonna break it up a little bit. Let it sit there for just a little second. We want to kind of get some black bits in there. Then go all the way up the bowl. Ooh, you guys should smell this. This is awesome. All right, that looks really good. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna add everything kind of back in. We're also gonna add now the lettuce, okay? We're gonna add this back in here with the egg. We're gonna finish it off with a little bit of sesame oil, a little bit of soy sauce. I know my brother's probably watching this going, yeah, I'd eat that. because I would too. I'd love that. Now we're gonna put the green onion in. Finish it off. Let's see how much we can fit in here. I know I won't be able to put all of it in there. This makes so much, but oh, it's so delicious. Take a little look at this, you guys. Look at the steam coming off the top. That right there, that is awesome, right? So good. Okay, so let's do a little taste test, okay? Oh man, that bite is happening right now. It's smoky, it's got a lot of flavor. It's actually perfectly seasoned. All right. So, the thing we can talk about now is, that was pretty amazing. So, you guys, I love you watching my videos. Pumps me up. Keep subscribing, guys. Keep getting on there. Tell your friends about me. Would really appreciate that. So if you guys like the content, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. If you guys want to comment or do a thumbs up, that's awesome too. I see all those things. But again, until next time, guys, see you on the next episode.